Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make really quickly and easy UV mapping. So first thing you have to take in consideration is that you have to install the bonus tools. If you don't know them, you can Google them and you can download them for free in the Autodesk Maya page. It's really simple to install. After that, you can go to Windows, Settings and Preferences, Plugin Manager and find the Unfold 3D, okay, and check it. Now you're ready to go. So I have this little planet in here and I just want to make a straight cut. So I'm going to go to bonus tools, UV editing, auto unwrap UV tool, and select these settings, enter and close. And it takes you to this green shader and it says add borders, remove borders and continue. So it's very straightforward. Just select the borders you want to cut. In this case I want a straight border in here like that, and just add borders. Now you have the cut. If you don't want some of them, just remove. If you want to add them again, just add and then hit continue. It's going to give you a texture shader here, like a checker, and just go to UV editor and now you have the unfolded UV, like just like magic. If you're not happy, you can go back and go and fix the stuff again. If you're happy with this, in this case I am, it's pretty straightforward and simple. Just hit done. And there you have it. Like the beautiful UV mapping done like in 2 minutes or less. Okay? So hope this is useful and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.